again, welcome back to a new video. This is Anshika Jain. So as you read in the title, today I'm going to tell you that how I make my thumbnails. So first go to Google and then search background flower, or you can search any else specific thing you want, or you can search only background also. Now you have to choose one background. I'm choosing this one. Now you have to take the screenshot of it, then go to what you can say an application named PixArt. Then when it will be opened, go to plus and edit a photo. After that, select your background, then go to tools, crop, and then crop it. Okay, here you cropped it. Now you have to go to text. After going to text, I'll write my text. I'm making the background of this video only. Okay, here you go. And now I will select a color, the color which I want, or I'll go to the pen option and I can select from there. But usually, as usual, I will selecting from here. No. Okay, as usual, black. Now go to the font and select the font you want for your video. Here I have. Oh, this autocorrect, I just hate this. Do you? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, so from here, and now you can go to stroke and make it as you want. Okay, now after doing this, go to the add photo, and the photo we have just selected is in the screenshots it is. Then we will select it and add one. Then we will go to crop and like this, oh, this, okay, like this. Then we will go to the tick option, and here we have this. Then we will go to again add photo, and then crop, and then here we will just select another which we want. Okay, here we go, tick, this, that. Okay, here we go. Now the tick option, and we will go to this option and cross, and here you go. If you want to upload on PixArt, you can, or else save. So like this I make my thumbnail. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye, lovelies.